Hi, I am Dr. Gopalakrishnan, heading the School of Artificial Intelligence and Computing in Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Bengaluru Campus. I am extremely pleased to introduce three of our cutting-edge flagship undergraduate programs, each designed with a specific focus to frame the tech leaders of tomorrow. First and foremost, I wish to introduce B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering, which is our foundational program. This program is ideal for those who want to develop a strong grounding in the entire spectrum of computer science. This program will equip you with skills in software development, system architecture, advanced algorithms, and cloud computing. So basically, this program will make you versatile for various tech domains, be it software engineering or cyber security roles or cloud computing roles. Now, this program will equip you to be eligible or versatile for a variety of tech domains. Now, we have the second program, which is B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering with a specialization in AI. So here, we actually go beyond the traditional computer science, and you will also be learning the core principles of AI. Basically, you will be learning machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. So this program will enable you to develop intelligent, automated solution to solve the real world problem. Now, as many of you know, we are all interested in exploring data that is coming from different domains. So we do have a B.Tech program specifically tailor-made for those who are interested in data-driven innovation. We launched this program in the year 2023, and that is B.Tech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So in this program, you will learn about various engineering and natural systems, how to model them, how to analyze them, how to extract data from them, and then how to develop data-driven solutions to solve the problems that the humanity is facing currently. Now, this program will make you or will enable you to develop data-driven solutions in the domains such as healthcare, robotics, cybersecurity, and business. So now, if you are interested either in learning the fundamentals of computer science or in developing intelligent machines or developing data-driven solutions to solve the real-world challenges, we have a program tailored just for you. So please do explore and join us. Welcome to Amrita.